Join us as we cover everything you need to know to install ColorGard 2.0 on a metal roof. Attach an S5 clamp or bracket within 3 to 6 inches of the eave at both ends of the planned installation area and tighten to 130 to 160 inch-pounds. Stretch a tight string line between the two end clamps or brackets. Then, install all clamps or brackets along that string line at their predetermined spacing. Position the ColorGard cross members downslope of the installed clamps or brackets. Insert a splice piece at each joint between cross members. Place a VersaClip on the cross member at each clamp or bracket location and secure the cross members with the provided M8 bolt through the upslope clamp. Tighten all bolts to at least 160 inch-pounds. Slide the color strip into the cross members. Use vice grip pliers to pinch the retainer lip of the cross member along its length. Center the SnoClip on the cross member between two clamps or brackets. Ensure the rubber foot of the SnoClip fully engages the surface of the panel. Drive the fastener through the pre-punched hole in the SnoClip into the cross member channel and tighten to approximately 50 inch-pounds. If the screw head shears during installation, it will not inhibit proper function of the SnoClip. That's all there is to it. Questions? Reach out to support@s-5.com for help.